So I got myself a Revit Wind Jacket, colour silver black in size large. Never had anything from Revit before. Quality is really good. I got a full suite of armour. The reason I got this jacket is because I saw someone else on YouTube who was doing a across America ride, and he bought himself a Joe Rocket mesh jacket that was very white or light coloured. And so this one is silver, silver, white and black they say, but it has a large mesh panels. And considering the weather here today is 95 degrees Fahrenheit, 36 degrees centigrade, and about 110% humidity, anything I wear is going to be too warm. But I'm just hoping that this jacket helps a little bit because of the colour. It reflects some of the hot sunlight. Just getting to Portman Road. I'm going to go and get myself a cup of coffee at Firehouse Coffee, my favourite coffee place these days. So I've been on my bike about 15 minutes. I haven't been driving very fast. I think the fastest I got was 35 miles an hour. I've been just toodling around on inside the towns, and I have to say the colour silver is actually helping against the extremely hot sun, and the mesh panels are doing their job. Oh, don't get me wrong, I'm still really hot, and I am sweating like a fat pig, but my jacket is doing its job. So it seems here I left my helmet cam on while I was in when I get into the coffee place, Firehouse Coffee. Now that's the owner's daughter. She is 17 years old, I'm told, by her mother. And that girl there is married to an Air Force guy, and he's on his way to Korea soon. Anyway, so the jacket is really good. I am very pleased with my purchase. So here are some internal still photographs of Firehouse Coffee. Try and take selfies of myself. Try not to take photographs of all the other people in there. You know, some people don't like to be have their photographs taken. You know, there's a really nice atmosphere in this coffee house. Time to leave Firehouse Coffee again, back out into the boiling heat with my new Revit Wind Jacket in silver and black. I'm enjoying it. When I first got it, I thought to myself, it's a little small, but it's a European brand, so it's fine. It's size large, and I am getting larger by the day. I need to get back into my sport. I usually do Muay Thai, kickboxing, 3 to 5 times a week, and I haven't done it for weeks, so I don't seem to get the enthusiasm for it. So as you can see, I'm back on the inside of Port Monroe, and I'm going to my photo opportunity spot to do some more videoing and some photography with my telephone. I really need to take my DSL camera with me one day and do some proper photography, but my phone has a pretty good camera. So this is an 850-pound motorcycle, so walking it backwards is really hard work. It gives me a good leg exercise. So here we are, taking some still photographs at this place. There's even a plaque on the wall. I didn't notice that before. So here's the plaque. You can read that. you know what this part of Port Monroe was used for. And I'm going to do some more pictures, trying to get very artistic here, and this is just a bit of film that I put in between the photographs. So more about the Revit Wind Jacket. It's really comfortable. It's got a full suite of armour in the shoulders, elbows, and a back plate. The back plate was cost me extra. I had to order separately. But Knox armour is really thin, really light, and really, really good. So I had to buy an extra back protector from Revit. It was only another $40, I think, but it's really soft and it conforms to my back really well. So back out through the fortifications of Fort Monroe, across the bridge, about to pass Firehouse Coffee for the second time today, and then I'm going to head home wearing my Revit Wind Jacket. I am not paid by Revit or anybody else to make these videos. I just like making videos and hearing my own voice. Maybe I am a narcissist. Maybe someone can tell you. Just because you make videos, are you a narcissist?